Billing issues in the Apple Store, App Store, iTunes, or in-app purchases often arise from invalid payment methods, insufficient funds, outdated iOS, or account restrictions. Common errors include payment declined or verification required. Resolve these in 5 to 15 minutes via settings or the web on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Verify payment details. Open Settings. Tap your name. Payment and shipping. Sign in with Apple ID. Check card details. Number, expiry, CVV, billing address. Update or add a new card charge PayPal. Verify with a temp charge, E0 to $1, via bank statement or OTP. Check funds and limits. Ensure your card has sufficient balance or no bank restrictions, for example, daily limits. Contact your bank to confirm. Retry with another method if needed. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest version to fix glitches affecting billing. Clear restrictions. Navigate to Settings Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure iTunes and App Store purchases. Allows payments. Sign out and in. Settings, your name. Sign out. Restart device. Sign back in and retry purchase. Contact support. If unresolved, visit support. Apple.com. Billing and purchases. Chat or call their customer service. Provide transaction ID from email.